Hi, it's Gareth from Udell Electrical Services here. I've been sent another tool to give a review and have a look and try out by Expert Trades Tool Talk. It is the Wiha sort of screwdriver with multi-attachments. It's got a cool sort of function. How long it lasts, who knows, but there we go. Looks quite funky. And the tips are then in the end, so you can then pick which tip you need. They've got a range of flat heads and Phillips and posi drive heads. There's also torque heads and the top, just a general sort of use. So you can take one out of the holder, clip it into the magnetic holder, and then it just becomes a general screwdriver. There's not much more to say about that really. It's really quite comfortable. The handle is fairly chunky and fairly big to sort of hold. It's obviously bigger than a standard screwdriver because it's holding the actual bits inside the thing. But it's although it's bigger, it's still easy enough to use, and you can still sort of use it. I have to say, I do keep it in the side door of my van, just by the driver's door. Just as sort of an emergency kit, just if I haven't got my tools on me, or rather than if it's just a simple screw that I need, or just jumping out to do a quick thing, rather than dragging all my tools out the back of the van, it's just in the driver's door, just down here, down the side. I can get it out, and it gets me out of a hole every now and again. I had an occasion the other day where I went out and was sorting an intercom panel out that had got sort of anti-theft torque parts, so I ended up using the torque driver bit, which again, I hadn't actually got my proper toolbox torque head screwdrivers, so this one actually got me out of a hole, which was quite good. As I say, the bits do slide back in, but as I say, how long the push out bit lasts, I don't know, but in general, it's a good tool, definitely worth having. Just keep it by your side, just as a general, get you out of a hole if you need to use a screwdriver. Handle's very comfortable. As I say, even though it is on the large sort of size, you can still sort of use it to sort of get in there and screw the screws in. So again, we're always good quality tools, and this one is no exception.